All right, so you have your doorbell. You flip it over. You take this back cover off. You place the front part down, and if you see on the back cover, there's two spots with little screw symbols where you're going to need to insert your screws. It also shows you which way is up. So flip it around, peel it off, and stick the back cover where you'd like your doorbell to be. You take the included screws, take your screwdriver, and just on the spots that are white, just insert your screw. You screw one screw in, take the second screw, screw the second screw in. You'll see that your back cover is nice and secure into your door trim. You take your front portion, the one with the batteries and the camera, you simply snap it in and you're good to go.